a mask before COVID, little niggas. And she's pissing. Yeah, she's pissing. Yeah. Rusty Lane. It's fairly clean under here, too. As far as all three cars was clean like this underneath. I hope this oil filter don't be a bitch. Oh, no, he ain't gonna be a bitch. It's turning. It's turning. It's turning. I got it to turn a little bit. Yeah. I gotta put a little power into it, but every time I had to really crack that damn bolt right there. I had to really fight with it. But yeah, so it's all good. It's been past 6 weeks. Yeah, I think they finna come check up on me. Been past 6 weeks, you know, like what, October, August? Yeah, oh man, it's been way past 6 weeks. So let the Lucas pour. Shit, it's been 6 weeks. Yeah, I knew it. I knew it. It was too good to be true. I knew it. Oh, they kept riding. Oh, well, they stopped. 220 in the slow ass 2020s. Yeah. Here come Jump Out Boys. They coming up the one way. Here comes some more officers. You can hear the sign. They go Jump Out Boys coming up. Yeah, I'm just gonna stay right here. Stay right here. Let them know I ain't got shit to hide. You know. Plus, if I move around, my black ass gonna get shot. You know, I'm black. I'm gonna get shot. It's been 6 weeks again. The gun call,
They're calling you, yeah.
Yeah, gun call, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, hands kind of oily, but, you know, let me try to lift my coat up some.
Were you looking work on the car?
Yeah.
Okay. We was calling on you, I don't know why.
No, okay.
Same old bullshit. I remember this.
Yeah. When I seen them two roll up, I was like, it's been longer than 6 weeks, though, because last time was in August.
I haven't heard it in a while.
It's December, so it's been longer than 6 weeks. I'm like, 6 weeks again, huh?
Be easy, man. Right?
All right, see y'all in 6 more weeks. Yeah. Jump Out Boys, he remember it. So, he's like, yeah, I remember it. Said they calling on you again. Here come college cops all late and shit. Yeah, CPD talking to him. Yeah. College cops coming all late. Okay, take all that Lucas. Yeah, good girl. Here come college cops again. Well, CPD gonna let them know. Hey, don't fuck with them. It's just some bullshit again. You know, they gonna let them know it's just some bullshit again. Yeah, see how they turning around down in the middle of the street. See how college cops turning around. Now Jump Out Boys telling the college cops what it is, you know. Letting them know that it ain't shit. Huh.